Flodesk is the email software provider that I use and absolutely love. They just launched Flodesk Studio. Now, Flodesk Studio is totally different place and website than where Flodesk is hosted. So it's totally separate. And basically what Flodesk Studio is it is a place that you can use AI to help build out your emails, to write them, to design them. And it's also a designer tool as well, similar to Canva. So you can create image blocks and different things like that right inside of Flodesk Studio and then export it to your Flodesk account. So I'm going to give you a quick demo. So when you're in here designing, if you are struggling with saying like, I don't even know where to start. I don't know how to even start with a welcome sequence or a newsletter, sales, event, different things like that. You can start it right here of saying, hey, newsletter. And then here are some different prompt ideas for starting a newsletter. Now, I will say that I have newsletter templates and welcome templates that work directly with Flodesk that I'll have linked down below in the description. So definitely check those out as well. But they do have these that you can use and get started. So say you're wanting to do an event, you can say, write an email prompting for upcoming free webinar, including the date, time, call to action to register, or create an email inviting the audience to a live workshop, different things like that, which is so awesome. Or you can do your own prompt here. So I have one that I wrote out for this that I actually am going to be writing this newsletter. So this is a perfect time. So I'm just going to paste it in here and I am just going to hit go. Now it's going to do its thinking. Okay, here's the email. My prompt is about, I was chosen to speak at FinCon, which is an upcoming conference. And I want to send an email out to my audience saying like, hey, this is really exciting. I'm going to be a speaker and this is what my talk is about. So with this, we have the different elements of the email, and we're going to get into that. And then also we're going to get into the actual copy that it wrote for me, which is really exciting. So now with each email that it writes you, it's going to give you different options. So it looks like 3 different options, and different people like their emails differently. Some like it to be heavy blocks and to have, a lot of different elements of it right in the email, very design heavy. Other people like it a little bit more just a banner and a little bit more basic. And then some people like more of the plain text features as well. So I'm kind of in the middle. So I am actually, you know what? No, I'm going to go on this one. So here is my email. And I can also say, hey, I want to, add this or that, different things that you may want. I may say, expand. So now it's going to do its thing. It's going to think and add that, and it's going to adjust the email here. Okay. So it says now the email digs deeper into why they talk. They've added this little banner here. Perfect. Okay. So here's what I can do. So I am going to add in an image. So here's an image with us speaking, and I can adjust the width here. I can zoom in, I can zoom out, all of that. Perfect. So this one here fits in everyone. And I can also adjust the width of it. So I can make it smaller or bigger, kind of like it right in the middle. And I can also adjust this. I can move this around and I can add different shapes, different elements, different things like that. I can say here, grab your ticket. This is case sensitive, so I don't want that. So I want to say grab your ticket. So I can link it so that this element here, there's a link and it's going to go to the FinCon Expo. So here's me here, then here's the other speaker here. I can also adjust these. I can move them up and down. So this is totally cool with the design element. Then when I'm ready, I can click export. So I can send to Flodesk. So here it is in Flodesk, which is so cool. So here is my email. Now, if you want to see how to use the weekly email template that I have, how to edit it, how to use it, how to get it, check out this video here.